try, accept, how to avoid repeating code. I'd like to avoid writing error count plus equals 1 in more than one place. I'm looking for a better way then. I'm trying to avoid store.rollback in every except clause. Any idea on how to do this?
This looked like a possible application of Python's new with statement. It allows you to unwind operations and release resources securely no matter what outcome a block of code had. Read about it in PEP 343.
My suggestion would to write an log error method that increments error count, make it a member variable, and prints the error. Since your exception code is similar, you could also shorten your code by doing this. You can print whatever you want based on E. Also, you don't need to track successes. Success count equals len rows, error count.
You could simply wrap up your exception implementation inside an exception-specific container class. That way you could also avoid all these explicit print calls, which may come in handy once you change your interface. For example, when supporting a GUI, instead you would have a method like error message, which in turn could internally increase the error count accordingly. In other words, simply set up an external helper class that manages your exception handling stuff.
Well, according to this page, part 7.4. This URL. This is possible with Python var is greater than or equal to 2.6. I mean try, except, finally construction.
If you want to see more, please message us on Twitter.